Hello honey bunnies, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you here, and I'm also excited to be doing this unboxing with you. Okay, everything that you see here is from Amazon and we're gonna open it together. Let's get straight to it. So I have 3 boxes here, 1, 2, and the last big box. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so let's do the big box first. This one, we have our scissors here. Okay, take the name tag off. I mean the receipt or whatever it's called. We're gonna open. So guys, how is your weekend going? How are you feeling? And I hope the news in the world is not bothering you, because but I assure you it's all gonna be okay. Oh yes, so look what we have here. This, we have that, and we have that. Okay, so first of all, I got this cute pajamas. Okay, and I'm gonna try and post the link down below if you want to get it. It's so cute. Let me see if I could open it for you. I think I bought it in the color champagne. Okay, and it feels so luxurious. It looks, see that, ooh, come on girl, nothing beats a beautiful pajamas. Okay, see, isn't this pretty? This is the front, and it doesn't even feel cheap at all. It feels so elegant. This is the back, and wow, I'm so impressed. The reviews were very good from where I bought it on Amazon. These are the pants. So these are the pants, and I think so far so good. I love it. So this is one already. Put that aside. I don't know if you can, and the next one is, but this is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I think it comes in a set of 2. And lately I want to be using mascara and try to get my eyelash popping. So I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I realized that people had good reviews for this, so I got it. So this is that, and then I got another mascara again from L'Oreal. Oh, okay, so this is the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. Okay, so this, like, I like the 2, and I just got, I don't know why I bought 2 L'Oreal mascaras. I don't know why, but the reviews were good. So we're done for the big box. Pack everything in and go to the next. So this is the second one. Oh, it's a little heavy. It's a little heavy. Okay, scissors. So first take the thing they put on top. I don't know if it's a receipt or not, but guys, I want to encourage everyone to stay strong, and you know, let's be hopeful that whatever that is going on wouldn't lead to anything in the world. You know, the kind of things going on in the world with the, you know. Ooh, so this fell off, but this looks like that. So let's see what's here. We have this, we have that, and we have that. Okay, so I brought the camera a little closer because, so I got the Adele Professional Remy lashes, and it looks like that. I don't know if you can see. So pretty. Like the ladies that I saw were on YouTube, it looked so natural on them. and then I decided to give it a try, so I got that. And then I got this Panoxyl acne foam, 10% benzoyl peroxide. It's so good for acne, okay? And even though I don't have so much acne, I just sometimes I have breakouts and I just can't deal with it, so I decided to try this. So let's open it and see how it looks like. It has very good reviews, like even from YouTube and on Amazon. So this is how it comes, and I'm going to use it and tell you how whether I like it or not. So the next one I have is my wipes, my flushable wipes from Cottonelle, and this is just basic stuff. Oh, so that's everything here. There's something fall or not. So put this aside. So guys, now that I brought the camera closer, I'm trying to show you the pajamas again, if in case you didn't see it properly. So this is it. Isn't this pretty? So these are the pants, and then this is the shirt. So chic. So let's see. So we've opened 2 boxes, 2, this and that, and then we have the last one. Take our scissors, peel off the seed or whatever, you know. I think I'm going to go through. So I'm gonna just open that up. I just so excited when I get my Amazon package, because I don't know, I think every girl gets excited when they get, oh, what's in here? I wonder. Sometimes I forget. Oh, okay. So this is what we have here. What is that? So this is what we have here. So I got the Dove Advanced Care in coconut, the dry spray, and I haven't tried. It smells so good. Oh my god. Trying to spray it though. Oh, it smells so good. I got like 3. So guys, and that's everything I got from Amazon. If there's any of these things that you want, I can put the link down below so you can get it. But so far I'm so much in love with the pajamas, okay, because they're so cute, okay. So thank you for watching, and I hope you've subscribed, leave a comment which of the products you like and what are the stuff that you order from Amazon. Until then, love ya.